Welcome back, everyone, to the AI Navigator.
Yes, welcome back.
It's been another incredible week in the world of AI.
Incredible is an understatement.
I know, right? We have so much to cover today.
Yeah, should we just jump right in?
I think so. I mean, from drunk driving AI cameras to AI-designed snacks this week has been wild.
Wild is a good word for it.
So let's start with a headline that's sure to get people talking.
Yeah, the UK rolling out AI-powered cameras to catch drunk drivers.
That's some serious Minority Report stuff right there.
A little bit, yeah. We don't have all the specifics yet.
Right.
But it sounds like these cameras will analyze drivers' behavior for signs of impairment.
Pretty amazing how AI is being used for road safety.
Absolutely. And speaking of AI tackling real-world problems, Google's DeepMind is doing some really impressive work with their Gemini model.
I saw that. It's crushing it in fact-checking.
Totally. It's setting a new standard for accuracy, which is so important with all the misinformation flying around online.
For sure. And Google's also been busy on the video AI front with the launch of VO2.
Yeah, that's a big upgrade, which makes me wonder what else they have up their sleeve.
They've always got something cooking over there.
True, that. And then we have Nvidia making waves with a new dev kit priced at just $249.
Wait, hold on. $249 for an AI dev kit?
That's right. It's a game changer for making AI more accessible to developers and researchers.
Wow, that could really open doors for startups and smaller companies who want to experiment with AI.
Exactly. It removes a huge financial barrier.
Speaking of making AI more accessible, OpenAI just dropped a major update with some really exciting features for developers.
This is big news. It feels like an early holiday present.
He kind of does, right?
So first up, their O1 model is now fully accessible, and it comes packed with 3 awesome new abilities. Function calls, structured outputs, and reasoning effort parameters.
Okay, break those down for me.
Sure. So function calls basically let the model interact with external tools and APIs, which opens up a whole universe of possibilities.
Better. Like making the AI even smarter?
Exactly. And then structured outputs mean the data the model produces is more organized and easier to use.
That makes sense. And what about reasoning effort parameters?
Well, those give developers more fine-tuned control over how much computational power the model uses to solve a problem.
So like adjusting the AI's brain power on the fly.
Kind of. It's about optimizing for efficiency.
Very cool. And on top of all that, they've also launched a real-time API for voice applications using WebRTC.
Yep, that's WEBRTC. And that's going to make voice AI development a lot smoother and faster.
That's awesome. And they're also cutting the cost of their 4 tokens by like 60%.
Huge savings, right? And they're introducing support for 4 Mini.
So voice AI just got a whole lot more affordable.
Definitely OpenAI is really pushing the boundaries here.
It's amazing. And as if that wasn't enough, they're also rolling out something called preference fine-tuning.
Oh, yeah. This is a game changer. Developers can now train OpenAI's models by showing them examples of good and bad outputs.
So it's like giving the AI feedback to help it learn and improve.
Precisely. It's going to make AI a lot more responsive to individual needs.
Okay, so we've covered a ton of ground here.
We have.
But I know navigating the AI world can be confusing sometimes.
It can be a lot to keep up with.
So we wanted to take a few minutes to answer some of the questions we've been getting from our listeners.
Good idea. One question that comes up a lot is about explainable AI, or XAI.
Right.
Basically, it's about making AI's decision-making process more transparent.
So instead of AI being a black box, we can understand why it makes certain decisions.
Exactly. That's key for building trust in AI and making sure it's being used ethically.
Another popular topic is outpainting in generative AI.
Right. So imagine you have a photo you love but wish it was a little wider.
Outpainting can actually extend the boundaries of your image using AI.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. It adds more context and creates a more immersive visual.
Very cool. We also got a few questions about GANs, or generative adversarial networks.
GANs. They're so fascinating.
They are. Explain for our listeners what makes them so special.
Well, basically, GANs use 2 neural networks, a generator and a discriminator.
Okay.
The generator tries to create content like images or videos, and the discriminator tries to figure out if it's real or fake.
So they're constantly competing against each other.
Yes. And that competition is what drives both networks to improve, leading to incredibly realistic results.
It's like an AI arms race in a way.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
And the results are getting more impressive all the time.
We also got a specific question from a listener who wants to know how many files a ChatGPT project can hold.
That's a good one. We'll have to look into that and get back to you in the next episode.
For sure. And hey, this is a great reminder that we love hearing from you, our listeners.
Absolutely. Your questions help shape our conversations and keep us on track.
So please keep sending them our way.
The AI world is evolving so quickly.
Yeah, it's hard to keep up.
It really is.
Yeah.
But we're all in this together, right?
That's the spirit. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and dive deep into the world of AI with us,
You know what to do.
hit that subscribe button and join us on the AI Navigator.
We'll be back next week with more AI news insights and your questions.
Until then, keep exploring and happy navigating, everyone.
See you next week.
Bye.